What am I doing to this piece of steak? Well, I have a OG of mine, a follower, a very loyal follower, who told me that you can use mustard to seal in flavor when cooking with meat. So instead of looking it up and seeing different recipes online, of course, what I did was I just got some mustard and slathered it on this piece of steak. So yeah, I kind of filled it in with some of the cracks here, and also it's on the other side as well, but not as much on the other side. I'm going to be using a reverse sear method, which is putting it in the oven first to get the inside hot, and then after I'm going to put it into the pan as usual. Alright, the preheat process is done, so now I'm going to put this in here for the reverse sear. So I'm going to put it onto this thing, so you can see. Just grab this piece of meat here and just place it there. So there's around 4 minutes left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the wok really hot first. So I'm just going to turn it on full so that the heat is really strong. Alright, so now we do a minute for this side. Smells really good actually. Mustard. I'm going to put it on the flat edge so that we can burn the fat of it. Okay. Alright, just flip it, and the last part is I'm going to blend it. This part here as well. Really. Here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So, that's it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put on the plate now. This is a really big piece.